So what's up guys, for today's video guys, we will repair Twistlock. So I will show you how to repair a Twistlock. So Twistlock is this one is Twistlock. So Twistlocks are holding $1,000,000 of cargo on board. So this lock is very important on board. So if we are loading 10,000 containers, so 10,000 times 4, so that's all we need to lock on board. So very important. So guys, so we're using this one, rechargeable impact cranks. So we have pneumatic, this one rechargeable. So this one very easy, working fast and very nice. So we're using grease, MacGregor. So this lock also is MacGregor. So the most important guys is we have this one holding to the gato. This one is gato. So I'll show you also. So this one, the spare kits for this lock. We have. I will open so that I'll show you guys. So guys, you see, very easy. So we'll open this one. So make sure that we will release this one. So now this one. So this is what inside the Twistlock. So guys, this is what inside the Twistlock. Yeah. So we will start from the screw. So this is screw, and this is a nut. Nut, screw, and we have this hose. This one hose, guys, and then we have this stabilizer. This is stabilizer. This one stabilizer, guys. This one, and we have this spring, and this one is a pressure element. So very important, pressure element. And the most important is the operating wire or the operating handle. This one, guys. So these are the spare kits of our Twistlock. So this one, yeah. So you can see, guys, only like this, but this is very important. So see, holding $1,000,000 of cargo. So you can see your iPhones, television, all cars. These some cars that are very expensive cars, and some chilled products, frozen products. See, guys. So we'll take out this one. So make sure that we have this so rags. So very important, guys. So we'll clean this one, and this one. So we will make sure that we will take out the oil grease, and then we'll put this one back here. Okay. And then we will put this one. We will put this one. We will put the hose. And then we will put this one here. We'll spray first this. So guys, we have grease yung nasa nasa can. So we have colored red and colored blue. So guys, pasok na natin. So pasok na yung yan. And then we will put it back. And then we will make sure this stabilizer and pressure element must be put also. So don't forget this one. So this one. Put the grease. And put it back. So guys, easy there guys. This one. So there's always a technique how to put this screw and nut. Sometimes it will be parted with too much force. So we'll put it back. Now already tight. So guys, this one guys must be like this. Yeah, see their sounds. Yeah, it means that it's already working. So this is our Twistlock guys. Okay, and if you cannot remember what I said here, this is the spare parts. So you can see spare parts kit. So we have screw, nut, hose, stabilizer, spring, pressure element, and operating wire. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.